Hi everyone, my name's Kate, and today we're going to be doing our first recipe challenge that we'll be doing weekly throughout the summer. Today we are making dressed up ramen noodles. It's a really easy recipe. All you're going to need is a packet of Mr. Noodles. You don't even need the flavoring that comes with it. A little bit of soy sauce, some red pepper, some brown sugar, minced garlic, butter, and an egg. So the first thing we're going to do is I already boiled some water. We have the noodles in a bowl here, and we're just going to submerge the noodles in some boiling water. So once you have the noodles submerged, like we do here, you can see the noodles are beginning to float. What you're going to want to do is just set those aside while you're cooking up the rest of the ingredients, just to let the noodles soften up. Then we're going to take our butter, put it on our heated pan, and we're just gonna kind of move that around, let it melt. You wanna get it all melted before you add your garlic, which we are doing here. I like a little bit more garlic, so I'd add about 2 tablespoons, but do whatever you would like. Then you're just gonna mix it really well and just leave it to brown. Once you have it all mixed in, just let it cook until it kind of darkens up a little bit. And then once that has happened, you can add in the soy sauce. I add quite a bit of soy sauce, just enough to just barely cover the bottom of the pan, not quite cover the entire bottom of the pan. And then once you've done that, you're just going to mix it in and get it all mixed in with the butter and the garlic mixture. And then once that's nice and warm, you can add in your brown sugar. I like my noodles a little bit sweeter, so I add about 2.5 tablespoons. Again, add whatever you're comfortable with. So then you're just going to mix it in again. If there's any chunks in the brown sugar, just kind of crush them up and get everything nice and incorporated. You can see that the sauce will start to thicken up here, and it'll pull away from the pan when you're mixing it up. And then that's when you know that you're ready to add your noodles. So you can strain them, or you can just pull them right out of the water like I'm doing here. Whatever works easiest for you. And then you're just going to mix them up and get them nice and coated up in your sauce and garlic and everything so that they're well incorporated. Now for the egg, you want to just move your noodles to one side of the pan so that you have enough pan space for your egg to cook. And you're just going to crack it on the bare side of the pan like I have done here. And then we're just going to let it cook. So once your egg is slightly cooked, you can start kind of breaking it up. It doesn't matter if your yolk breaks or anything like that. We just want to make sure that we get it nice and cooked through. We're using a similar technique to what you would do if you were scrambling eggs, just breaking it up into little pieces and making sure that we're cooking the egg really well. So now our eggs are all scrambled up and they're nice and cooked through, so I'm breaking them up into smaller pieces, and then you're ready to just mix it all into your noodles, get everything all incorporated together, and then this is all of your ingredients that you have in there that are nice and mixed up and ready to be plated. So then I find it easiest to eat this out of a bowl, but you can use a plate or whatever you would like, and just transfer from your pan into your dish. And now you're all ready. All right, so now we've got this all in a nice bowl here, and you can just take your fork and dig in. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back with another recipe challenge next week. Have a good week.